Okay, there's Sergio looking for some more steak. I gave him a few little pieces. He enjoyed it. Yep. So he's kind of scoping out to get some more. Here's my campfire for tonight. Looking pretty good. And all my little torches are lit now. There. And over there by the camper, it's all lit. So steak is done, all gone. I ate it. Oh man, it was good. So I'm just sitting here waiting for this fire to die down a little bit. Because what I'm going to do is go in, get some marshmallows, and roast some marshmallows. Might even put some chocolate on them. Shame I don't have any graham crackers. Oh well. So that's it for the night. I made another video on my other phone. Tried to upload it, but it's just taking forever and ever. So here's this one instead. By the campfire. Have a good evening.